Hi, today I'm doing a review of the Valley Sirona 16.1, and I'm going to give you the pros and cons about it. If I look tired, it's because I am tired. I just got back from paddling, but let's show you guys what this boat is all about. Since I couldn't really find that many reviews before I bought it, I decided to do my own. Okay, let's start with the hull. It's got a V-shaped hull, and it becomes quite flat here over the cockpit. It's 22 inches wide for the 16.1, 16 feet. Valleys say that it's a soft shine, but it's quite of a straight edge, and then it goes to a 45-degree here, which I think that's the reason why the edge is so great. And obviously it's so maneuverable because of its banana shape. It's a skeg system boat. I would say it probably maneuvers almost as well as the Gemini. There's a short delay when you turn, but it will turn. You can do a 360 no problem with it. It is very, very maneuverable. For the rest of the outfitting, you have everything is waterproof, very sturdy. You have a place for a lock. You can see everything is completely tight. You won't get any water going in there for sure. Very, very nice, nicely done. For the skirt size, I use a 1.4 seal. So for the cockpit for the 16.1, that would be what you'd be using. So the Valley Sirona is outfitted with your regular deck lines, your bungees. You get the back hatch. You get the back day hatch. You got the seating system. It's very comfortable. These hip pads, I put them myself. The ones from Valley are okay, but the boat is actually a bit big for me, so I had some padding on there. And this is the inside of the cockpit. You've got the Yakima foot pegs, and you got your tie braces here. Let's keep on going. You got your day front hatch and your front hatch. Oh, I almost forgot to show you guys the skeg system, which is a very simple skeg system. You can see the skeg here at the back. Okay, let's have a look at the hatches. Valley say that's mostly a day touring boat. There's quite a lot of space in there. There's a big volume for the boat. It's quite bulky. So I would say you could put at least a good week of supplies if you decide to go touring with it. There's the day back hatch. It's quite big. Like I said, the shading system is actually quite comfortable. Very similar to what you would get from a British boat. I'm really not impressed with the tie braces. You can't move them. Like I said, this boat is quite bulky for me. Realistically, I would need the LV model. I'm gonna try it out, see what's the difference between the two, how much it's tighter. And you got your front day hatch. I just washed it, so that's why there's a little bit of water, which is actually quite big. It goes all the way back. And then you got your front day hatch, which is actually quite deep also. And they separate the cockpit with the front hatch with the same polyethylene 3-ply that they use to mold the boat. It's quite strong material, much stronger than what you would find in American made boats. Um, Not as strong as some other British brands, but still uh, very acceptable. So all in all, um, this boat is quite an amazing boat. It's very maneuverable. It's quite fast for a 16 footer with a 22-inch wide. So what is this boat designed for? Well, this boat is designed for pretty much all conditions. Because it's 16 feet, you can tour with it. It maneuvers extremely well. So you can go and play in the surf, rock hopping. The only drawback about it, I would say, is that it weathercocks quite a lot. Even surfing with it, you have to put your skeg, I would say, a quarter to halfway. Depending on the wind, if you're touring, you almost have to put your skeg down the whole way down. Besides that, it's quite an amazing boat. I would highly recommend it for somebody that wants to do both and don't want to get one boat for playing and one boat for touring if you can't afford it. For people that are my size, I would go for the 15.11, which is the LV model. I got the 16.1. It's a little bit bulky for me. I'm 140 pounds. I'm 5'8". I can still maneuver it quite nicely, but I'm definitely gonna have to try the 15.11 to see if it would be a better fit. So I hope that you look into this boat. It's quite an amazing boat, and I hope you have fun and be safe out there.